Hey guys, it's my birthday, that is tomorrow, since today is 10th of April, and the point is that my birthday is tomorrow and it's quarantine, lockdown, Mumbai is closed, but I don't know, I'm feeling good. Really, I'm speaking like ठीक है, peer pressure कम है, party नहीं देना है, बाहर नहीं जाना है. It's like I don't like much party and all those stuff. Yes, I do like to party with friends and all, but ठीक है, this is also fine. And yes, so this is what I'm thinking for now. So let's see how it goes. But for now it's 10th and I want to cut a cake at 12 o'clock with my family. So I'll be making cake. So I'll be baking my cake and do some decorations, because obviously हर टाइम तो फ्रेंड्स कर लेते हैं, but this time I'll do for myself. So guys, if your birthday is also in quarantine, then just pamper yourself, make your birthday special by your own self, and it's more fun and it's really amazing. That's what I feel like. I'm getting excited to decor my home and baking cake for my own birthday, but it's something really interesting. So let's see, let's go into my kitchen and make some cake. I'll be using Oreo and hide and seek and make a quick cake. Yes, and if you're wondering, yes, I know to bake cake. I know to make it really nice. Yes, I frequently make cakes. So yeah. Okay guys, first thing I'll tie my hair, because yes, I may look bad, but while cooking, don't keep your hair open. Especially I don't like. And wear a apron because white top है, खराब हो गया ना, my mom is gonna kill me. And वैसे भी whenever I make cake, I get full chocolate. Yes, I'm kind of that person. Okay guys, okay, so I'll start making cake using Oreo and hide and seek. I just love. Now I'll just fast forward it. If you want a recipe, you can check out on YouTube. There are a lot of videos. So, but I'm used to it. I do it without checking recipe. But yes, it's really tasty and very easy. So I'll just fast forward this clip because I don't want this vlog to be too long. Okay, till the time cake cools down, I forgot to change my apron. I'll just decorate my wall just to click pictures and have fun. That's it. So yeah, this thing also I'll go in fast forward because I don't think so you need to learn how to decorate the wall, but in case it's your birthday, you can also get it done. It's really easy, just a simple fairy light and maybe chadar white color ka, and I have happy birthday ka banner. If I get, I'll put it that, or it's fine. Yeah. all set. I have done like idhar udhar tukda fukda. It's like I have done that thing. Okay, now I'll go and decorate my cake, and it's already, just hold on, it's already 9:30. You guys can see, and it is totally like yes, I have to wash my hair, get ready, and a lot of stuff. So now let's go into the kitchen again and let's decorate my cake. Okay, so I have made this with using 2 toothpicks and 1 chart paper, and have written happy birthday on this. Okay, so cake is ready and I'm very happy, and I didn't have that what's called cream, so I had to just use these things whatever I had. So I'll keep this aside and just need to clean. Okay guys, now damn tired. I'll take you guys near me. Okay guys, so damn tired. Now we'll just take bath, and I clicked pictures. It's 10:15, 11, 12, 2 hours to go. Okay, and I have clicked pictures of cake. I'm yet to click pictures over here, but I'll take bath. I need to wash my hair and then just get ready and click more pictures and more pictures and more pictures. That's what I have to do. That's what I'm left to do. So I have, for the people who are feeling low and have nothing to do at home, guys, come on, I'll get up and do something. Because wait, I'll just close the door. Because life isn't that boring. It's something how you take it and how you feel. Okay, I hope lights are good. Okay guys, so life is not what it's not what you see, it's like something how you feel and how you make it happen. See, if you think positive and if you be always cheerful, your life will be cheerful. And it's not a big thing to be at home. It's like if you enjoy your company, you can be anywhere in the world. So that's what I do, and it's my birthday, you can see. So if you have your birthday and if you have no one to do for you guys, no, it's like obviously every year my friends do, but even if you don't have anyone, you can make yourself happy by doing something for yourself. Pamper yourself, that's all. And click pictures. Yes, that's all I have to say. Don't feel low, be positive and just keep smiling. Yes, बहुत ज्ञान की बातें हो गई, I know. Now just get back to you after some time. Now that's all I have done. Maybe at 12 o'clock, yes, I'll get back to you at 12 o'clock. Yeah, bye bye. हाँ चलो.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you.
See guys, this is what we do. That's my friend. We have forgotten my birthday, but I am That's my birthday wish me.
अपने फेमस था बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Thank you. And one more sweet little cute little wish. I just loved this one. Just listen.
Happy birthday to Vididi. Happy birthday to Vididi.
It's really sweet. Thank you so much. This is also really cute. He made a cake of clay for me and it was amazing. Okay guys, that was really fun. Like all the cousins called, my friends called and we cut the cake. It was totally family time. So if it's your birthday also, you can do same thing and it's just amazing. I just loved it. And yes, now it's sleep time. It's already, I guess, wait, let me see. It's 12:30. I'll just reply all the messages which I have on WhatsApp and Instagram and everywhere. I'll just reply them and just off to sleep and wake up really late because till now it's a record. Last 10 years, since last 10 years I haven't slept on my birthday. You can check my previous birthday vlogs as well. But this time I'm just going to sleep. It's fun time for me. Yeah, okay. Bye bye. Good night. See you tomorrow. Okay guys, so just woke up. It's 10:15 and I don't know what's planned for today. I have nothing to do, but we'll do something interesting. Let's see. I'll just get ready and make some vlogs. Like I'll definitely do something. Let's see, depends on my mood. And yeah, I got a lot of calls, messages and everything. So I'll put that in video if video is too short, if I'm not doing anything whole day. Let's see, hope for the best. Let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so I really want to tell you something, that this Mr. D pencil, you can see he has made my sketch and it's amazing. Really, you need to check out his page. I literally loved it. See, wait, I'll show you his page. I'll link that in description box as well. But since I was checking, shit man, bahut acha hai. You guys can see. See, like you need to follow and you can buy the sketches from him. It's really amazing. Like the guy is also amazing and the sketches are also really amazing. He has done Dhwani Bhatt ka sketch also. It's amazing, trust me. And you want to see Mera sketch? I guess Purana photo liya hai, but it's fine. Like I just loved it the way it is done. It's amazing. I'll put that in the description box. Yes, so Mumbai is locked down till 30th of April. More 15 days are extended and it was needed, like it was obviously expected. But yes, still at home. So people, you are getting bored, then don't be bored. Come on, wake up, exercise, do something productive. अगर ये एक महीने में if you haven't done anything, if after 20, like after this 1 month you don't come out with learning something new, then really you are a waste. So just stop wasting your time. Just get up, be positive, inspire yourself and do something productive. You have a lot of time and just keep a smile and do productive. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Okay, so for now I have nothing to do. The day is almost over. I'll just do my dinner and just remove all the decoration and all those stuffs, because yes, ultimately mujhe hi karna hai. I have to keep all these things again back from where I have removed. So yes, we'll do that thing and maybe end the vlog or sleep, or let's see. Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you something. My mom made ice cream for me. You know what, it's really amazing. I'll show you guys. It was a surprise for me, but unfortunately I saw in the freezer because I am also at home, even they are at home. so nothing is hidden. But yes, I'll definitely show once I eat that ice cream. So for now, let's go and do dinner. Okay guys, so that was all, and I really enjoyed, not typically enjoyed, but yes, it was quite better than expected. Okay, and I'll end my day, since my day is ended, I'll end my vlog over here. And it was really amazing, fun time with you guys, and thank you very much everyone for your wishes. And don't worry, just be happy and stay inspired, stay motivated, be positive. And if any problem, you can just DM me on my Instagram. Yeah, that was all for today. And yeah, that was all. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. And see you guys in my other videos. Don't forget to connect with me. Yeah, it's fun. Okay, bye bye, see ya.